Come here. What? You want to go outside? Huh? You want to go outside? All right. Oh yeah, want to go outside? Yeah, should we go outside? Right. This is Romey. She is our 2.5-year-old poodle pointer. We got her from Hardpoint Kennels up near Alexandria, Minnesota. And then she did all of her training at J.K. Pine Creek Kennels, and that's in La Center, Minnesota. Impressed with both of them, the breeder and the training alike. So, yeah, we've had 2.5 great years with this wonderful dog. She's amazing with our kids. She's such a loving, pleasing dog. You know, we had our hearts set on this breed because what we'd seen from others that we know. Poodle pointers inherently are just really ready to please their owners, and you know, they want to be good companions at home and in the field, and she's both of those. It's been a little bit of a rough go with Romey. Around Christmas time, she had started showing signs of you know, just some type of illness, and it started progressing worse and worse, and we had to bring her into the emergency room because her breathing was so labored. She ended up having an autoimmune disorder that it was an infection inside of her lungs, and that day we brought her in, her lungs collapsed 3 times that day. They literally had to save her life 3 times. It was very tough. They tried a couple different procedures because she was aspirating and air was getting in her lungs, and nothing was working. So the only option was surgery. So they had to go into her left lung. They had to open her up and find where the air was leaking into her lungs, and they fixed it. And it was a long road to recovery, but she is finally back 100% off all medications, and we couldn't be happier. It was a really hard decision, emotionally, financially. It was not easy, but we love this dog a lot, and you know, we wanted her to live a lot of extra years with us. So we're gonna do a little training this morning. I feel like she's good at a lot of things, but we've gotten a little complacent with winter and obviously her surgery. So we got a little winter weight to get off, and we got some training to do. So I use these kind of dog pads. My trainer just referred to it as kennel. So that's just the command that we use to put her on there, or getting in the truck, just tell her kennel. And that's where she goes. She loves being on there when we're just hanging outside, and if it's a hot day, we put it in the shade, and she just kind of hangs out on there a lot of the days. And once she's put on there, she knows that she has to stay on there until she's commanded. I just go up to her, and I can go distract her all around the yard, but until I actually walk up and give her the command that she can get off, okay, then she can go. But if I want her to come back on, Romey, kennel, she's right back. Kennel. Kennel. Good girl. Good girl. No. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Go for a little walk here. Heel. Good girl. Hey. Okay. One of my favorite commands with her is the whoa call. And you can use it in a lot of situations, hunting and in just everyday life. So let's just say we were bird hunting right now and a bird went up like it was a hen. In Minnesota, you cannot shoot hen, only roosters. So if one flew up and she started to give chase to it, I could be like, Romey, whoa, whoa. And she's stopped right now. Whoa. And she won't move until I let her go. So like, if there was a barbed wire fence that she was coming up on and she didn't see it, I can whoa her and she'll stay. All right, heel. Good girl, heel. Good girl, yeah. Good girl, okay. So just a little quick whoa call. Oh, I think she whoa'd. Yeah. Come here. Come on up. Oh, yeah. Here, lay down. Come here. You lay down. Oh, good girl. Well, we're back home after our walk. She's gonna relax. I can't wait to get her back out hunting this year and get her back in fighting shape. Cause it's no fun almost losing a dog. I really feel bad for people that have to lose their animals, and you know, it really does stink that, you know, dogs, you know, especially her breed, they probably live to be, I don't know, you know, max probably 14 years, and that's on the high side. But, you know, to get to 12 years, 13 years is pretty good with these animals. But yeah, we got a lot more fun footage to come, especially when hunting season starts and all of our cabin trips and hunting and just kind of bumming around the Northwoods is going to be fun. That's always a blast. But yeah, please subscribe to our videos, subscribe to our page. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right, see ya.